Hi, welcome to my great corn experiment. Today I'm going to figure out which type of corn makes the best corn muffin. And I am using milled corn, canned corn, frozen corn, and corny corn. I don't really care about the effect of water on my recipe because dry muffin, mushy muffin. But I am curious about how the processing of these corns will affect the taste and texture and bindiness of my vegan gluten-free corn muffins. And I'm going to try to control for that water difference by figuring out how I can constitute this to have the same water to solid ratio as this guy and that guy, etc. And to do that, I'm going to use a combination of information, right, a scale, and math. This can't be right. Am I going to trust math? I didn't do very well in math. I was a C algebra student. But you know what? I am. I'm going to have faith in science. Okay, so this is how I'm going to make my batter. I have 2 cups of corn in here. Right now, it's the frozen corn. And then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in 4 tablespoons of water of this here egg replacer. And that equals 2 eggs in Veganville. Go. Egg replacer is the bomb diggity. Like, it really works. And all it is a whole lot of starch. Really. Starch is important. Okay, so I'm going to mix that real good. And I'm just going to do the same exact recipe 4 times, which will be 2 cups of corn, 2 eggs in the egg replacer, half a cup of olive oil. Olive oil, oh yeah, alright, there we go. And baking powder, probably a lot, like 3 tablespoons or something. But I'm going to hold off on this. This is kind of a sound experiment. So yeah, I'm going to blend all these. I'm not going to add any additional water. I'm guessing it's not going to be necessary. And that's it. It's so easy. There we go. I learned something, and that is that corn is really wet. This is a really wet batter. It's more wet than cake batter. Actually, my frozen corn did not yield as wet of a batter as my fresh and canned corn. My fresh corn has the wettest batter of all. Wet. Weird. Anyway, so I'm not going to bother with the milled corn thing. I totally screwed up there. These batters are all too wet and not exactly the same level of wetness. So I also kind of screwed up there. Wow. So I'm going to do the baking powder part. And I'm going to put a ton. This is so wet. And I'm just going to powder. Oh, stir. And then spoon into mini muffin tin. Okay, it's only been 20 minutes, but the muffins are looking done. Let's see what we got here. So the excess of water definitely took its toll. Okay, let's excavate these bad boys. So that was disgusting. But I have some useful knowledge. There's no such thing as a beer bottle shaped paint can.